Good night, Tudor. My name is Hector Antonio Bosa Chaura. I am a student the fourth semester of public accounting at UNAID. I start with my interview. Can you tell about yourself? I am person who can how to listen and who understand others in their different circumstances. What are your strengths? I am optimistic and see that life is full of arguments so that we can shape the future that we don't want. What are your weaknesses? I am very impulsive, controlling. What is your greatest achievement? My greatest achievement is having started my studies at the university. Where you do see yourself in 5 years? To be the owner and manager of my company. We do you want the kid you have because I can improve and want to show the best that I can have as professional. We do you want to work for us because this company offers job opportunity and ways to continue improving as person. What are your salary expectations? My salary expectations are 5 per month. Gracias, teacher.